Hey guys, so here is the video that some of you requested that I do. So in my previous video I shared how I did a crochet with just using my extension, and guys, this is the result. So some of you requested that I do a video on how to install it. I've got loads of compliments about this hair. Some even thought it's my natural hair. Yes, you can see I am rocking it. Anyways guys, if you're new, go on, hit that subscribe button and also please hit the bell to get notified. If you have not watched a video of how I did a crochet using just an ordinary extension, it's gonna pop up now up there, and I would advise that you go watch it maybe before watching this video or after watching this video, whichever is convenient for you. As you can see guys, I did this with just ordinary hair extension, and you can see the coils are popping guys. So guys, I'm starting off with a well stretched hair, and I'm going to be moisturizing my hair with a Cantu leave-in conditioner, and then I will go on with my Jamaican black castor oil to seal in all the moisture. So guys, to start with the braid pattern, I'm going to be sectioning my hair starting from the middle, sectioning from the front, and I'm going to stop at the crown of my head. Does that make any sense, guys? And to braid, I am using a piece of hair extension to braid, and this is going to help the crochet to last even longer. So I'm not going to be braiding all the way through. I'm just going to be braiding the hair halfway through. I'm going to be stopping at the crown of my head. So in total, I braided 15 in front. I wanted to go for like 16 and then braid about 4 at the back. But unfortunately, I was only able to braid about 15 in front, which is still not bad. So the braid pattern doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to be getting it covered with the crochet anyway. So the sectioning and the braid doesn't really have to be perfect, guys. So now I am braiding the back, and what I did was that I just got about 3 sections of hair in front. You can see the way I connected it to the one at the back, and I braided about 4 at the back. So now I'm just trying to get the ends of the hair away, and this is just the braid pattern. This is how it looks like. It's just as simple as that. And now it is time to install the crochet. So what you want to do is get a crochet needle and pass the crochet needle underneath the braid. Loop your hair on and then close the lash. So all you need to do now is pull your finger through to tie a knot. Again, you want to pass your needle underneath the braid and loop the hair on, and then you close the lash, then you tie a knot. So each time you're passing your crochet needle underneath your braid, you want to make sure the crochet needle is closed. Make sure it is not open. And I'm just going to go on and continue like this. This hair, I realized it was too big, and I began to trim and trim and trim. Guys, I trimmed a lot out of this hair because I'm not really a fan of big hair. I don't like it when my hair is too big at the top. I just don't like it. It's not my kind of thing. It depends on what you want. If you want it big, fine. So I just went ahead and started trimming and trimming, and I trimmed a lot out of this hair. But at last, I love the final result because it became really short and natural, which is what I was really going for. So this is the final result, guys, and yes, this is the final result, and I love the end result. What do you guys think? Leave your comment down in the comment section below. So thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight.